If you're looking for a complete laundry solution that combines smart technology, powerful cleaning performance, and quiet operation, the Samsung Smart 4.7 CU Foot top-load washer and 7.4 CU Foot electric dryer bundle is an excellent option. Designed for busy households, this package includes not only the washer and dryer but also essential installation accessories like power cords, washer hoses, an 8-foot vent duct, and a 1-year CPS protection plan. Whether you're replacing an aging laundry set or upgrading to smart appliances, this Samsung bundle offers outstanding convenience and value. One of the first things you'll notice is the generous capacity. The washer features a 4.7 cubic foot drum, while the dryer offers an impressive 7.4 cubic feet of drying space. This makes the pair ideal for families, allowing you to wash bulky comforters, blankets, towels, and large weekly loads without splitting them into multiple cycles. The larger capacity saves both time and energy by reducing the number of loads required. A standout feature of the washer is Samsung's active water jet. Instead of requiring a separate utility sink, the built-in faucet lets you pre-treat heavily soiled clothing directly inside the washer. Grass stains, muddy jeans, food spills, and workout clothes can all be scrubbed before the wash cycle begins, making stain removal much easier while keeping everything conveniently in one place. Cleaning performance is impressive thanks to Samsung's advanced wash system. The washer provides thorough cleaning while remaining gentle on fabrics. Whether you're washing everyday clothing, delicate garments, or heavily soiled work clothes, the machine delivers consistent results. The option to add an extra rinse cycle is especially useful for households with sensitive skin or those who simply prefer detergent-free finishes on their laundry. Another major advantage is Samsung's vibration reduction technology. Traditional top-load washers can become noisy and unstable during high-speed spin cycles, especially with uneven loads. Samsung addresses this problem by minimizing vibration, creating a much quieter laundry experience. This feature is particularly valuable if your laundry room is located near bedrooms or living areas where excessive noise can be disruptive. Maintenance is also simplified through the built-in self-clean cycle. Instead of relying on harsh chemicals, the washer automatically helps keep the drum fresh and odor-free by removing residue and buildup. Regular self-cleaning helps maintain peak washing performance while extending the life of the appliance. Moving to the dryer, the spacious 7.4 cubic foot capacity easily handles oversized laundry items. One of its biggest strengths is sensor dry technology, which continuously monitors moisture levels throughout the drying cycle. Rather than running for a fixed amount of time, the dryer automatically stops once clothes are completely dry. This prevents over-drying, protects fabrics from unnecessary heat exposure, reduces wrinkles, and helps lower electricity consumption. The dryer also includes a reversible door, allowing homeowners to configure the door opening direction to match their laundry room layout. It's a small feature that can make a significant difference during installation, especially in tighter spaces. Perhaps the biggest advantage of this Samsung laundry set is its smart Wi-Fi connectivity. Using the Samsung SmartThings app, you can monitor wash and dry cycles remotely from your smartphone. The app sends notifications when cycles are complete, displays remaining cycle time, and even allows users to adjust certain settings without being physically present in the laundry room. For busy families juggling work, school, and household responsibilities, these smart features add genuine convenience to daily life. This bundle also provides exceptional value by including everything needed for installation. Both 3-prong and 4-prong dryer power cords, washer supply hoses, and an 8-foot vent duct come in the package, eliminating many of the additional purchases that often surprise buyers after ordering new appliances. The included 1-year CPS protection plan also provides extra peace of mind beyond the standard manufacturer warranty. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. One owner praised the washer and dryer for arriving well ahead of schedule, noting that the delivery team handled the appliances carefully and professionally completed the installation. They were especially impressed by the wide variety of washing and drying programs designed for different fabric types. Features like the extra rinse option, wrinkle prevention setting, and smartphone notifications through the SmartThings app made daily laundry much more convenient. While they mentioned that some specialized cycles can take longer than basic programs, they emphasized that clothes consistently came out exceptionally clean and completely dry. The reviewer also complimented the seller's outstanding customer service and quick responses whenever assistance was needed. Another satisfied customer highlighted how quiet and durable both machines are during operation. They appreciated the large capacity, mentioning that both the washer and dryer easily handled oversized comforters without difficulty. The reviewer also praised the delivery experience, noting the company's friendly communication and professionalism, and expressed confidence in purchasing from the same seller again. Of course, no appliance is perfect. Some users may find that advanced wash and dry cycles require more time than standard quick programs. Additionally, since this is a smart appliance, users who prefer traditional controls may not take full advantage of the Wi-Fi connectivity. However, these are relatively minor considerations compared to the overall performance and convenience offered by the system. Overall, the Samsung Smart 4.7 CU, foot top load washer, and 7.4 CU foot electric dryer bundle delivers an excellent combination of capacity, intelligent features, quiet operation, energy-efficient drying, and reliable cleaning performance. The inclusion of installation accessories, SmartThings compatibility, active water jet pretreatment, sensor dry technology, and vibration reduction makes this package an outstanding choice for modern households seeking both convenience and long-term value. If you're searching for a dependable smart laundry set that simplifies everyday chores while delivering consistently excellent washing and drying results, this Samsung bundle is a strong investment that's well suited for families, busy professionals, and anyone looking to upgrade their laundry room with premium technology.